Today, we're gonna be putting some new wheels on this. They are Method wheels. It is their new 707 wheel. I did get it because it is one of the lighter weight bead grips. Also, it does come in blue. I do absolutely love how there's this like inner lip design. It is their bead grip technology. As you can see, these ribs help from popping a bead both on the front and the back of the wheel. This might not be how you normally balance a wheel and tire assembly, but we wanted to see how much it weighed. With the wheel alone right at 30 pounds, that leaves about 67 pounds for the 37. Overall, under 100 pounds for a 37-inch tire is great. You can hear how much the machine is struggling to air it up. That's because it's fighting to get the bead over those ridges for the bead grip. One thing that bothers me is the valve stem and the logo don't line up. So do I put the center cap lined up with the valve stem or with the logo? And here's the result. Man, do they look good. They're a little bit darker than the decals, so not super bright. Now I didn't mention, but they are 17 by 8.5 positive zero offset. Method does use hub-centric center bore, so they work perfectly on my 1 3/4 spacers. They do look a little darker in the shade, but they look amazing in the sunlight. Now, hopefully I won't break one of these like I did the previous Motegis. Can't wait to wheel them and test them out.